Jordan Brand released their own sneaker bag, their own travel bag, so I bought it. It is called the Jordan's Collector's Duffle, so I bought it in the brown colorway. Let's unbox it, and let's see if it's worth the money. This was $160, and they sold out extremely fast. I'm sure Jordan Brand, Nike, they're going to make a crap ton more. They will have restocks, and you're not going to have to pay anything crazy for a bag. However, I wanted to get this in and see, is it worth the $160 price? I am intrigued. I will say that, because this right here is an official Jordan bag. Not any third party, nothing like that. You guys are spending all these crazy money on bags, on sneakers especially, so I figured why not get the official Jordan bag, the official travel bag for your sneakers from Nike. They finally made it. It took years, but hey, it's here. And I got the brown colorway. I like the brown. It came in brown and black. I went with the brown colorway. And let's take a look. So here it is. It's big. It's nice. Quality. Nice. This is the Cordura mesh. So Supreme uses Cordura mesh, I believe, on their bags as well. A bunch of companies do, from my understanding. So yeah, Cordura is definitely a well-known brand, and we do have the Jordan Jumpman logo on the top. You do have it on the top as well in black. Just very nice. The stitching is brown, and it's very nice. I'll say this quality, I'm very, very shocked. Very nice. I'm so happy to have an official Jordan bag. It's about time, Nike, that you did this. Took years, but it's here, and let's get it open. You do have the straps right here, so let's open up the straps. Velcro, very nice. And let's open this up, and let's get into the travel bag itself. I'm gonna put some sneakers in here, so let's open this up together, and let's see. You do have the zippers, very nice. These straps are extra long, which is nice, and adjustable, so you can adjust them if you want even more, which is awesome. And wow. Okay, so inside, there's a look inside the bag when it's empty. You do got the compartments, and yeah, these are Velcro. These do come out. You can move them around. Awesome. 4 slots, 1, 2, 3, 4. You could also take them around if you want to, put clothes in there, whatever you want. You got a big laptop sleeve, another sleeve, whatever you want. Oh, and it comes, look at that, with another bag as well to hold, maybe another pair of shoes or some travel goods or anything. That also comes with this. And you do have the beautiful Jordan right there since 1984. Not 85, 84. That's a very nice patch detail, leather patch right there. And just a very nice fabric, very nice mesh. You got the zipper pockets to hold your goods. I am very happy. Finally, Nike, you did it. Finally. I am thrilled. Awesome. We finally got an official Jordan Brand bag. You guys are spending so much money on your sneakers, right? Well, why not get the official bag as well? That's the way I look at it. Finally, they did it. Here it is, and it's honestly fire. Now, this bag is great. The bottom, you do have the black bottom as well. I am thrilled. This bag is great. Quality's nice. I'm very happy. Awesome. Now, let's get into putting some shoes in here. Let's see. I'm just going to put some random shoes in here right now to show you guys what it looks like. So we'll just grab shoes off the shelf here. We got the Bread 4 2019 pair. I do have to wear these. I will. I'll get to it. I've been wearing a lot, the Bread 4 Reimagines. Then we have, let's see, let's get those in there. Oh, I put it in wrong. Of course I did. All right, we got one pair. Let's add another shoe. What else are we thinking here? What else? Let's do some Yeezys. We'll do the Turtle Duffs. The best 350 V2 of all time. Well, 350, I should say. The best Adidas Yeezy, I should say. Realistically. There we go. Very nice. So far, we're looking good. You could fit up to 4 pairs. And I'm a size 10.5 or 11. And I would say, yeah, you could easily fit a 13, maybe even a 14 in there. Oh, yeah, easily. Maybe even a 15 or 16, to be honest. There's so much room in this bag. You could definitely fit big shoes. Let's go ahead. Let's add some more. You know what? Let's get some let's get some other models in here. Let's get some Jordan 1 lows. We'll do some 1 lows. I already put a pair of 4s, so we'll get to the 1 lows. Just want to show you guys what the bag is going to look like, all packed with your sneakers. This is fire, man. I'm so happy that Nike did this. It's about time. It is definitely about time that they did it. And let's add one more. We'll go with the black cement 3s, one of my favorite releases as of late, and I've been wearing them as well. So let's toss these in there. I keep putting the shoe in, bro. There we go. And just like that, you guys are gonna see in a second, as soon as I get the shoe in there. There we go. We have all 4. Wow, you could definitely fit like a 15, 16 in here. All 4, nicely packed, good to go. Zipper closes, no problem whatsoever. So yeah, if you're at like a 15, 16, you're definitely gonna be able to get these in there. No problem, and storage is great. I'm thrilled. It's about time. Jordan Brand, Nike, you did it. Thank you so much. I look at it this way, guys. If you're gonna spend all this money, you're spending $200, $300 on some sneakers, why not get the official bag to go with it? Fire. Thank you, Nike, for finally dropping a fire sneaker bag. Oh, it's so nice, too. Quality's nice. The stitching is nice. This is gonna last a very long time. I can tell this is gonna last easily a decade. Easily a decade, guys. They're definitely worth the money. And quality is nice. It does use the mesh Cordura fabric, which is very nice as well. And you do have this tag that comes on it. Retail is $160, and I do think it's worth the money. Overall, it's definitely a must cop. Fire, straight fire. Let me know what you guys think about the official Jordan Brand bag down below in the comments. Let me know if you guys picked one up. Let me know. Are they a cop? Are they a drop? This bag is fire, straight fire. I am very, very happy that they did it, guys. Finally, we got the official Jordan Brand travel bag. Hopefully they can drop some backpacks and other type of bags as well. But this right here, really all you need at the end of the day. You just need this. So yeah, definitely an essential bag, and I'm very, very happy. We got the sneaker travel bag by Jordan Brand. Finally, they did it. Let me know what you guys think about the bag down below in the comments. Let me know if you guys picked one up. It does come in the brown and the black colorway. Make sure you guys stay tuned for restocks. Of course, it's Nike. They're going to restock them. So let me know what you guys think about them down below in the comments. Make sure you guys hit that thumbs up. If you guys can get this video, let's do it. If you guys can get this video 50,000 views, a lot of views, 50,000 views over time, I'll give away a pair. I'll give away a bag. A pair. I'll give away a bag. All right? Make sure you guys hit that thumbs up. Make sure you guys like this video, subscribe to the channel, and let me know what you guys think about the official Jordan Brand bag. I want to thank you guys so much for watching. Make sure you guys join the More family. Hit that subscribe button, smash that like button. We're always on the grind. We're never gonna stop. Always dropping that fire. Straight fire. Thank you guys so much for watching. We out.